Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video, and this is part 2 of cabinet door styles that you can make in Revit for your project. So there's two styles I'm going to be showing you today. The first one is Shaker 2, and I'm on the CraftMate website. I'm going to go to File, New, Family, and you're going to click Casework, and that's going to open up, and I already have that open here. And on the reference level, I did this in part 1, but just a quick review on the reference level. On the reference level, I just made an extrusion, and then I made a toe kick here. And I will link part 1 in the description box below. So now that you have your actual base cabinet, you need doors, and that's why you're here on this video. So on the front view of your casework family, you are going to go to Create, Extrusion. So go to the rectangle, and you're going to want to make the base, the inner layer, which is the two insides right here. So with the rectangle, I'm just going to do that. Then go to the right and just change the depth with these arrow nodes. Not sure how thick it's supposed to be. I'm just eyeballing it, but of course, if you're really specific and you have to be in your project in school, be sure to contact the manufacturer. Or, if you have common dimensions that you want to use, definitely use those. So now that we have the base, I'm going to go back to the front. And as you can see, it's hollow here, kind of, pretty much. And so we're going to go and create extrusion. And these rail and stiles are 2 1/4 inch. So just going to go over that again. And then I'm going to click the offset tool, 2 1/4 on each side. And I'm just going to copy this line over. And then I'm going to trim extend each of these thingies. And boom, click the check mark, go to right, bring this back node above the raised panel, and then do like that. And boom, now you have your Shaker 2 style cabinet door. The next cabinet style I'm going to be showing you is this very intricate raised panel Roman full, and it's pretty much Roman because of the beautiful arch here. So let's go back to Revit, go to the front view, create extrusion. You can make your base, but I'm actually just going to select the base that I did here, and extend that because this is just for examples. So once you have your base for that, you want to make the raised outside here, and these styling rails are 2 3/16 of an inch. So I'm going to go to the front, create extrusion. Go over the whole thing, offset 2 3/16. Trim these ends, and then I'm going to select this start and radius arc tool, and I'm going to go about this much, 3 inches, go across and pretty much go up to that. Then I'm going to delete this line and trim the ends here. Now that that is made, I'm going to click the check mark, go to the right, and bring this to the same height as the other. Okay, so now you have the front. Now let's create the raised panel in the middle. So just gonna go to create, gonna go to the blend tool. Right now we're editing the base of the blend because the top is highlighted, and once we edit the top, the base one will be highlighted. So I'm just gonna mock this one again. And I'm gonna offset it 2 inches. I'm not really sure how much it's supposed to be. And then I'm going to trim these ends and delete the one I just mocked that's already made. Now I'm going to go to edit the top, and I'm going to mock the new one I just made and offset that one to 1 inch. And then I'm going to trim these ends and delete the mock of the base and click the check mark and go to the right. Bring this one above that base panel, and you can change how deep you want your raised panel to be. And now you have your Shaker 2 style cabinet and your Roman raised panel style cabinet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope that it does good to your project. God bless.